Hello, good afternoon. We're making a little stop and drop off for Shell's place.
A drop off and stay.
Oh, for coffee.
Yes.
Yes, we're gonna have some coffee. There's Lance. Why do you stop it?
That was so yum.
You're bad. Look at this. I know it's Christmas stuff, but Shell's been looking everywhere for this to make Rice Krispie squares with the red and green. Shell,
Yeah.
do you think we should pick out all the green so it's just red for like Valentine's Day?
No, but we
I'm
have
just
to
kidding.
get the marshmallows for this.
Oh yeah, true. We should have just looked at Dad's stash. Dad has a secret stash of marshmallows that he thinks we don't know about.
So there was only one spot? Was there only one spot? You had to
There I
wait.
am.
Well, I have to wait
Wow.
because I was pulling.
A matching mum.
Someone had just pulled into the last spot. I was like, okay, well, I'm just sitting here.
Mom made
On a
doubles
Friday midday, who's visiting?
for Shell and Lance.
Well, I guess you guys are visiting, but
Dad found his favorite corner. Mom's up here. Shell is making them some coffee in her new machine. This looks like a fun corner. This is all doubles. And that bag.
open it.
And Apple J. And Chow.
Maybe I'll make yours first, Lainey.
Sure. I'm going to have espresso. Actually, I think I'm going to make it into a latte.
You could open the brown bag. So oat milk? That's it?
Sure. Woo!
So the brown bag is the good one.
I would say the better one.
And I just washed some of these for snack. Whoa, what are you watching, Dad? NCIS?
You could put on
Solving crime?
oh no, you want to wear from here.
It looks cute.
Oh, it's an on both sides. There you go.
Thank you. Oh, that's pretty together.
Okay, Mom.
Mom, what are you having?
Probably gonna have, I don't know about her.
The mindless one that you have.
We'll see.
I don't know.
But you have to put half of it is foam.
That's some cream that we had in that bottle. Okay.
So
Okay.
Hufflepuff traits are hard work, patience, loyalty, and fair play.
See, that is those are nice traits to have. Shell's going to try.
I wonder if it's too hot right now. Maybe.
Is it hot? Let me see the inside of it.
Ooh.
Yum. There's like a sweet sauce on that and bandanya chutney. Right, Mom?
Yep. So we tell them what they have on sale. Any store you go to, it has come up after that that they have.
Except all cookies.
I'm not chewing, I'm just swallowing.
Don't do like that last night.
Oh man.
That had
How was it?
Good.
Often.
Very good. Nice mix of the chutneys, not too spicy. It's a nice pepper.
Good.
You put sweet one in here?
I tried to.
Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes a little bit of everything. It's good. Chana's good.
Great. We just ordered some bubble tea from Cha Time. We finished pretty much our wine. You're finished over there?
Yep, sure am.
I think I'm finished too. Yeah, I got a little left. Done. Time for bubble tea. What'd you get? I can't even read it. It's like
Chow time.
some chocolate hazelnut. And which one did I get?
Oh, pearl milk tea. Less pearls, less shaken, less ice.
Less sugar. Silly.
Less pearls, shaken with ice, but no ice.
Yes, I said that in my. I said please shake, shaken with ice, but no ice.
Half pearl. Mine is pearl, jasmine, jade. Half pearl, shake with ice, but no ice.
Yours says No ice, 50% sugar. Shaken with ice, no ice in.
I didn't put this order in.
Do you try yours? Here,
No.
get yours.
Here's your shot.
Okay. Hold on. Yep, let's see.
1, 2.
Oh my god. Good for you. Wow. Stop. Cheers.
Cheers to ambition.
At least you know to stand there. We're at the grocery store. There's a lineup outside, and it's freezing. It's super sunny, so it's misleading. It looks like it's warm and sunny out, but it's like -12. But it feels like I don't know what.
Do you think it's too cold there? To barbecue outside?
No,
We can try. There's Shell. She's opening some. What is that?
Burgers.
She just loves sleeping in people.
Burgers, and there's some turkey sausages, and
Oops.
we're hoping to see if we can. I know it's freezing, but we were feeling to eat some barbecue burgers. So on a charcoal grill. Sorry, charcoal grill. I'm gonna. Let me take this over and show Lance.
Papa John's.
There's Lance.
Hey everyone.
He already.
So Papa John's to the rescue.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that looks very nice. It's looking good so far.
So we're gonna try and barbecue outside on a day that's -11 or -10.
Yeah, but that's not with the wind chill, what it
That's
feels
not with
like.
the wind chill, so this is pretty ambitious of me. So
But,
let's see how
you
it
know,
works. I don't know.
I don't know. I'll keep you posted.
It's all about ambition right now.
Sure. Yeah, I'll take that.
We won't be ready for a few minutes.
And let's see what you've got here. Looks good so far. Got some sauteed portobello mushrooms and some onions, and some onions on the grill. A handful of sweet potato fries for me. Let's go see what Lance is doing. Oh, you just put it on the grill?
Yep.
Okay, this is for when it's finished. You want me to leave it in here?
Yep.
Okay. That looks good. I wonder if I do this. Whoa, I put a little light on it. Oh my. Looks good. Those are my little onions over there. All right, perfect. They're definitely coming along.
Yeah.
All right. Oh my lord, it is freezing out here. This is like so Canadian of you.
I know, right? All I do is a beer. We're good to go.
All right. Oh, and the smoke.
That's on.
And that's what you called me out for?
That's what I called you.
Okay, thanks. We almost forgot the cheese.
They look good.
I can put it on it?
Huh?
The cheese.
Oh, not yet.
Oh, not yet? Okay.
The sausages look really good.
Yeah.
Is that turkey?
Turkey, yeah.
He put extra for us.
Burgers look like they're good. They shrunk quite a bit.
Charlie told me it's so Canadian of him. Oh my gosh. If we show mom and dad what we're doing, they're gonna say we're crazy.
Yeah, babe, that looks great. There you go.
Perfect.
Great. Do you want the
Platter, yes, please.
Or we want something else?
That. Thank you. There we go.
Maybe
All right, another 30 seconds and the burger should be done.
Okay, let me take the tongs from you.
Yeah.
The best part's
Yeah.
dressing. Shell is fixing me a burger. I'd like pepper on mine, Shell.
Yep.
Please and thank you. And Lance, he's got some sausages.
Sausages
Oh, so good.
with mushrooms.
We cut up some as cutters here. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry, because I'm focusing. So, Mom just texted me and said they're dropping something off. I'm just hanging out with Shell and Lance. Oh, it's snowing and it's freezing. Look at the snow. Daddy! Oh my gosh, it's freezing.
Hey everyone. Merry Christmas.
Stop. Careful!
Wasn't this heavy when we left home?
The snow? Well,
Okay, it is snowing by you guys though?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you.
Very light though.
Yeah?
and then,
I bring food for all my babies.
Yeah!
yay! Mwah.
Hey! What are you doing in the cold?
Mom!
It's just that.
Just
Okay.
If you say so.
Yeah.
Okay. Love
You guys-
you. Bye.
She's upstairs doing some work.
Yeah, okay.
She has a call just now. A video call.
You guys don't want coffee or anything?
We just.
Do you want coffee? Do you guys want to come in?
We had coffee already.
Okay.
We good.
Alright, well drive safe.
Bye.
Oh, your
Oh.
appointment went okay yesterday? Your appointment went okay yesterday? Yeah?
Yes.
Very
I
good.
feel not bad.
Okay.
When you come for coffee, we'll talk.
Okay, alright, sounds
The
good.
appointment is a dentist appointment. She hasn't gone in a while. Okay, I got it. No worries. Okay, what's in there? Yay! We were running low.
9-inch banana. We got the sapadilla in here too.
Let's see.
Ooh!
Yay! Our little
So we know what we got
pizzas.
for lunch.
There's Shell working.
Working hard.
Mm-hmm. Doing budgets. I think it's budget.
Oh, I think you were going to say doing bajan.
Oh gosh. Can you stop making me laugh? Like, I'm having trouble breathing now.
Eggs.
Yay!
Oh, this is where we're at, guys.
Yeah?
This is it.
What is it?
This is what we're having for lunch. I think dinner's in there.
Stop.
It's still
Oh,
hot.
I see something yellow spilled.
Oh, karhi. Oh, your dad tied this bag.
Oh, okay, because there's 3 knots. Oh god, just cut it.
I think they had an easier time getting the Capitol building in the States.
I'm not. I can't even with you.
Oh, got it loose.
Did you get it for real?
I got it loose. Don't worry, guys, we're going to eat today.
It's careful. You don't want to get it on.
Curry
Hey, is that egg?
eggs
Oh, it has saran wrap on
and
here,
saran wrap.
and it's still leaked.
Yeah.
What is this? What's in here?
And beef?
No,
No, what's that?
it is beef.
Yeah.
Curry beef.
Curry beef and egg.
Okay.
All right.
All right. I'll take it.
All right.
What's
so
in the big
that's-
one? What's in the big one?
All right. We got
Broccoli.
salad. All right. This is the dinner bag.
Lord.
Pizza dough. Excellent.
That's a lot of weight. What did you think? We're just making roti all day long?
Bacon and eggs. Lettuce. Romanian. Imported, guys. Rice.
How much rice is that?
About a quarter bag. The equivalent to a cup, I'm not too sure. I don't really go with cups these days. Broccoli.
Yay!
About tree head. Oh, this is what we've been waiting for, guys. This is dinner.
Stop right now. And I took beef out this morning here to make curry beef. A different
Trini
kind.
cooking saves the day again. Oh,
Oh,
looks like Dad kind of got it.
Dad did it again. Oh my gosh. You just don't want to cut the bag, do you?
Yeah, because
There is no beef.
we use this bag for garbage. Oh, what do we have?
Okay, Saijan.
Alright,
Curry Saijan.
so this is not dinner, guys.
Is that aloo?
Yes. And that's tomatoes. This is saran wrap.
Tomatoes?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe.
You're just calling out things. All right, so
Alright.
curry beef. All the curry. I'm very excited
Curry.
about curry.
Pizza dough. And
Pizza.
pizza flatbread.
All right, great haul.
Anana.
I think that's it.
That's it.
All right, well, maybe we should make some rice.
Okay, there it goes. Oh, there it goes. Oh,
Yikes.
it's full too.
Oh, hi. We have a surprise delivery.
Yum.
I'm gonna check outside.
Stop being annoying.
Do you want to see what we got?
Yes, I do.
Can you
Thank
see?
you.
Is it bright enough?
No?
Yes.
I don't know.
Veggie.
Veg. And Daddy, can you put the light on, please?
Hawaiian. Yes, pineapple.
Hawaiian. I love pineapple
Yeah.
on pizza. Don't
Oh,
come for
yes.
me. Don't at me. And this is
Meat something.
What's your at?
And this is
is another veg.
Triple Crown's my fave.
This is your
That
why?
Hawaiian.
What makes it your favorite?
I
What
don't
is
know,
this?
the combo's good. It's like peppers,
Mushrooms?
mushrooms, and pepperoni.
On this one
Oh,
we have
pepperoni.
pineapple. So this is the veggie. This is oh, this looks good.
Wow, this is a lot.
Yeah.
$5, $5.
Oh yes, they have their deal on. $5, $5, $5. All right,
Alright.
but we have to get the dipping sauce from Pizza Pizza because their dipping sauce is way better.
It's ready.
I think. Lance, stop. Just stop.
I enjoy it.
I can hear you.
So what?
Also gonna
Hold it.
feel-
All right, Dad, ready?
Mm-hmm. Ooh, look at that. Ooh,
Looks good.